Now 5 to 6 more hours of mowing. Yeah. Got started about just a skosh after 7 this morning. And it's now 1/4 to lunchtime. Got all that back there around the buildings. Little strip over there that goes up that way. The backyard, side yard, front yard alone takes an hour and a half. Yeah. I got my work cut out for me. So it was just a skosh after 2 that I got done with everything. Yeah. It could be worse. Oh, it's the next morning. Yeah. Sunday morning. Had a good week at the fair. Even though Summit County is still nothing like Portage County, it's still a fair. Just at a smaller scale, but you know, the fair is kinda right in the middle of a city. I mean, Randolph, it's kinda a little bit more out in the country. But it's still a fair. It was very, well, the polls only lasted an hour and a half. I mean, yeah. It's because nobody ain't got no money to do nothing. But I still had fun. And that's all that mattered. Oh, that is not a good sign on a Sunday morning. Oh boy. Yep, I did that. So now I get to use Steiner to mow with. So I don't know if you guys can see it, but every other pass there's grass standing. And that's a no-no. So that's why I'm just going back over this and going in a different direction so I can see what the heck I'm doing. Or is it this one that won't take grease? No, it's taking it. Let's see, I turn that off. And there's the grease. How my wash is Gator. I feel that it's appropriate to go ahead and wax the darn thing because, well, it needs a waxing. I'm afraid the paint is starting to fade, but I'm going to wax it anyhow. The hood, the bumper, you know, the doors. Well, I got that SC1 for that, but kind of clean the thing up a little bit. And this is exactly why I wanted a splitter here, was because for that. So we can water this. Get this to start growing. So we'll let it run for a little bit. Anyhow. Now it's time to go do an even more hated job. And I'll show you guys what I mean when I get there. And now to go do that. I'm going to do this first. Alright, well, I'm going to, crap. I don't know where to set this. Oh, well, I guess I'll just have to set it over here. Well, crap. I guess I'll set it on the toolbox. Lord, I hope there's an applicator pad in this thing. I really do. Yes! Yes! Applicator pad. Okay. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take me a rag here as well. We're gonna go over here to the hood. I'm gonna set this down on the hood. Take a little bit of the, well, let's see, a little bit, I think. That'll be enough. We're gonna start over here. We're just going to take, oh dear, I have applied too much already. And then we're just going to let, we're just going to work that in. Crap, you supposed to do circles or? I don't remember. Crap. I really, honestly, don't remember. Do this down here, then I'll bring you back when I get this done. I'll start over here because this was the furthest that I went. Look at that shine, would you? Heck yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm really talking about. Yeah, look at that shine. I'll bring you guys back. Well, there it is. It's all waxed and clean. I didn't think the wax was going to go on that well. So well that I done the door. Didn't do that down there. Done the side of the bed. Done the tailgate. And I didn't do this side because I didn't really wash it that well because I wasn't expecting to wax the plastic on this half, but the hood turned out phenomenal. I'm so happy, and I even went as far as to wax the plastic down here and stuff like that. And for those of you that are curious, past winter I got the thing stuck and had my hitch on, but I didn't have no hitch pin or nothing, and the tow hooks down here. Yeah, the tow hooks right there, they were all buried with snow. So I hooked onto brush guard and yank it went. But no movie move the gator went. So yeah, that's how that occurred. Lesson learned. Go buy a hook style hitch and just leave it on the dang thing all winter long. I mean, there are trailer hitch receivers that are like this. I figured if I get something like this, I can hook a chain in it and yank myself out. Be a lot better than a standard hitch. I mean, yeah, we got that floating around the shop here, but I think that little hitch is a little overkill. I think anyhow. But either way, I need something on the front of that thing so that don't happen again. But at least it's waxed and it's, you know, I was just worried about the paint fading on it, which stuff like that does over time if you don't take care of it. So, yeah. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you next time.